Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Clark Atlanta University. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section over here, type down Clark Atlanta University login and click on the enter option. And from the search results, you need to click on the first option that says Clark Atlanta University. And after that, you'll get into an interface like this in the left hand side where you are required with your email address or your password. So simply type down your email address and your password as well and click on the sign in option and then you'll be successfully logged into your Clark Atlanta University. But if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, there's this option that says forgot your password just beside it in order to reset or recover it. And if you want to create a new account, if you have not enrolled or registered your account in this university, click on the bottom option that says create my account in order to create an account. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.